The vast sugarcane fields under the shimmering golden sunlight hold a sweet secret that shapes our lives. Have you ever been curious about how those refined white sugar grains we use every day are produced? Today, we'll explore the fascinating process of cultivating and processing sugarcane into the sugar we know and love. Just imagine millions of tons of sugarcane harvested every year, creating an unparalleled scale of sugar production. The United States, with its fertile land and vast red soils, is asserting its position in this industry. At these factories, advanced technology is applied to transform sugarcane into refined sugar grains, bringing sweet flavors to millions. But what's fascinating is that in this process, there are hidden secrets and technologies that not everyone knows about. Let's uncover the marvelous wonders behind the smooth white sugar grains we often nibble on daily. Before we see those sweet sugar grains, let's take a look at the process of cultivating and harvesting sugarcane in the vast sugarcane fields of the United States. Here, farmers employ the most advanced farming techniques to ensure vigorous and healthy sugarcane growth. The ideal weather for sugarcane cultivation is usually warm spring and summer seasons with sufficient rainfall, providing optimal conditions for cane growth. Though sugarcane can tolerate various climatic conditions, warm and humid weather is often the most ideal. Thanks to technological advancements, the sugarcane harvesting process has become easier and more efficient than ever. After harvesting, the sugarcane is transported to processing plants through modern transport systems, ensuring safety and speed. At the plant, sugarcane undergoes a series of complex processes to become the refined sugar grains we often see. The sugar processing process at the plant demands precision and high technology. Let's look at the crucial steps in this process. Firstly, the sugarcane is brought into the plant and undergoes processing to separate the sugarcane juice from the raw cane. Then, the sugarcane juice is extracted for its sugar content through a diffusion method. Next, the sugar essence is cleaned and concentrated through filtration and evaporation systems. This process removes impurities and excess water, creating a thick sugar syrup. Following this is the sugar crystallization process, where the sugar syrup is cooled and crystallized into refined white sugar grains. The sugar is then dried, packaged, and preserved to ensure quality. Through the mentioned advantages, we cannot deny the crucial role of science and technology in improving the efficiency and quality of sugar production from sugarcane. Advanced technology applications such as automation systems help enhance production efficiency and standardize the production process from cane processing to sugar processing, ensuring quality and reducing losses. In addition to refined sugar, sugarcane is also a significant raw material for many other products, such as molasses, raw sugar, and ethanol. These products not only play a vital role in the food industry, but also have extensive applications in other fields such as renewable energy and chemical industries, bringing economic value and utility to society. So, we've explored together the modern sugarcane production process at the factories. Through this video, we've witnessed the complexity and intricacy of modern sugar production processes, from cultivating and caring for sugarcane to refining processes. And that concludes the sugarcane production process, from the farm to the pure white, sweet sugar grains that we adore. Goodbye and see you in the next video. Remember to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on exciting content about agriculture and natural products. Thank you for watching.